In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an Outlook email as PDF. By the end, you'll know the simplest, most reliable way to turn any message in classic Outlook into a shareable, archivable PDF. Start by opening Classic Outlook on your computer and navigating to the email you want to save. Double-click that message to open it in its own window. This is important because it ensures you're working with the full set of options for that specific email, and it avoids accidentally printing the wrong item from your inbox view. Next, open the print options. You can do this by clicking the File tab in the upper left corner and selecting Print, or, if you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. This brings up the print screen and a preview, so you can confirm you're looking at the correct message before you proceed. Nothing is being printed yet. This is just the staging area. In the Printer drop-down menu, choose Microsoft Print to PDF. On some systems, you might see Save as PDF instead. That works the same way. Selecting this option tells Outlook to create a PDF file rather than send the message to a physical printer. If you don't see a PDF option, it's typically a system setting or an administrative restriction, but in most up-to-date Windows setups, Microsoft Print to PDF is built in. Click the Print button. Even though it says Print, you're not sending anything to paper here. You're moving to the Save step, where the PDF will be created from your email's content. A Save Print Output as dialog box will appear. Choose the folder where you want the file to live, somewhere you'll remember, like your documents or a project-specific folder. Give the PDF a clear, descriptive name. A common approach is to include the date and a short version of the subject line, which makes it easy to find later. Keep the name simple and avoid special characters that might cause issues on some systems. When you're ready, click Save. After a brief moment, your PDF will be created in the location you selected, ready to view, share, or archive. That's the entire process. Open the email in its own window, go to Print, pick Microsoft Print to PDF, click Print, then name and save the file. One quick note, this captures the content visible in the message window. Attachments are not embedded as separate files in the PDF, so if you need those, save them individually. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you save your Outlook emails as PDFs with confidence.